In today's lesson, we will learn how to find the inverse of a function. So here are few examples of different type that will clear your all doubts. So stay with me till the end. Now step by step, let's learn to find the inverse of a function. The first example, f of x is equals to 2x minus 7. The first step that you should do is set f of x is equals to y. So, we will get y is equals to 2x minus 7. Now, swap y with x. That means wherever there is x, replace it with y, and wherever there is y, replace it with x. So, we will get x is equals to 2y minus 7. Now, solve for y. Solve for y means that take y, all y terms on one side and x terms on the other side. So, we will get here 2y is equals to, here 2y and it will be x plus 7. Then y, isolate y is equals to x plus 7 over 2. So, this is the inverse function, x plus 7 over 2. Here, let's do one more example, f of x. The second example first is done. Now, let's go for second, x minus 3 over 2. Now, the first step is replace f of x with y. So, we will get y is equals to x minus 3 over 2. Now, swap x and y. So, x is equals to y minus 3 over 2. Now, isolate y. How? Now, solve this. It will become 2x is equals to y minus 3. So, y is equals to 2x plus 3. And this is our inverse function, 2x plus 3. Clear? So, try it step by step. Let's take the third example. That is, f of x is equals to x cube plus 3. Now, this is a different type. So, pay attention. Replace f of x with y, then x cube plus 8. Now, what's the second step? Swap x and y. X is equals to y cube plus 8. Now, isolate y here. So, y cube is equals to x minus 8. So, what it will become? Y is equals to cube root of x minus 8. And this is our inverse function, cube root of x minus 8. Let's do the next example. F of x is equals to 3x plus 2 over 4x minus 1. Now, here we have a rational number, rational function. So, now in the same way as we were doing before, replace f of x with y and x 3x plus 2 over 4x minus 1. Now, x is equals to 3y plus 2 over 4y minus 1. What we did? In place of y, we wrote x, and in place of x, we replaced it with y. Now, solve this. We will get 4xy. How we are doing it? A sort of cross multiplication. 4xy minus x, and now solving this, we will get 3y plus 2. Now, isolate the y terms. That means bring all the y terms on one side and the rest on the other side. So, it will be x plus 2. Now, take y common here. We are left with 4x minus 3 inside the bracket is equals to x plus 2. So, let me write here y is equals to x plus 2 over 4x minus 3. And this is the inverse function x plus 2 over 4x minus 3. So, just follow the simple 3 steps and the inverse function is done. Okay. Now, let's go for next example. F of x is equals to root of x plus 2 minus 5. Now, this is a different kind of summing, right? Same, you have to follow the same steps. So, set f of x equals to y and root x plus 2 minus 5. Now, swap x with y. So, here it will be x is equals to root of y plus 2 minus 5. Now, take 5 on the other side. So, it will become x plus 5 is equals to root y plus 2. Now, here we have to isolate y. So, what we are going to do? We are going to take the square on both the sides. So, taking square on both the sides, we will get x plus 5, the whole square, is equals to, now this will get cancelled. So, we will get y plus 2. Clear? Now, here use the a plus b whole square. So, it will be x square plus 10x plus 25 is equals to y plus 2. Now, I isolate y. Y is equals to x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 2. So, y is equals to x square plus 10x plus 23. Clear? So, this is the f inverse, the inverse function. So, x square plus 10x plus 23. Now, let's practice one more example. F of x is equals to 1 minus x over x plus 2. Again, set this f of x to y and we'll get y equals 1 minus x by x plus 2. Now, in place of y, write x, and in place of x everywhere, write y. Now, solving this, we will get, now solve this, we'll get xy plus 2x is equals to, solve this side now, 1 minus y. Now, take all the y terms on one side and the others on the leftover terms on the other side. So, here isolate y and we'll get this. Now, y is equals to 1 minus 2x over x plus 1. And this is the inverse function. That is 1 minus 2x over x plus 1. I hope everything is clear and now you can easily find out the inverse of a function. So, now it's your turn and try this out and write the answer in the comments. So, find this. F of x is equals to cube root of 1 minus 4x. So, this is your homework. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you want me to cover anything else and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.